Hi guys, welcome to the video. Today I'll be unboxing a new YSL bag that I got from harrods.com. It just came in the mail today, so if you're interested, just keep on watching. So let's open her up. So it comes in this Harrods box. Oh, and I'm surprised to see that it actually comes in the Saint Laurent box. Usually whenever it comes to online orders, they just ship it with the dust bag, but this comes with the box. So it comes in the black Saint Laurent box. This is the product information. Just like this. And as you can see by the size, this is the backwards. So this is the LOULOU toy or toy LOULOU in the color dark beige with the gold hardware. Just inspect her real quick. So the front is envelope shape, and it is a magnetic closure. It says Saint Laurent Paris. It comes pretty stuffed. Just take that out. The reason why I got it from the Harrods website is because I found that it's actually a little bit cheaper to buy it from there than from the regular retail stores like Saks or Nordstrom, just because the price is a little bit less for some reason, and then the shipping is only $30, which includes the duties and taxes. So that's what the front looks like. So when you open it up, it has two compartments. The front one is a little bit bigger, and behind the front there's 3 card slots there. It's pretty dark, but there's 3 card slots here. And then in the back there's a zip pocket, and it has Saint Laurent Paris, made in Italy. It also says Saint Laurent there. So this is what the side looks like. It has the Y quilting. It's such a cute bag. I love the squishy feel. So I'm gonna open the strap. I believe this is the newer model. This one is not adjustable, and I think the older one used to be adjustable, and it had a feature where there was like a loop where it can turn into a wristlet, but this one is just one strap. So that's what it looks like. If you guys ever have the chance of seeing this in person, I suggest that you do. It's actually much cuter in person than it does when I watch videos on it on YouTube. It's just an adorable little mini bag. I also really like the color. This is in the color dark beige. I would say this is a true beige color bag. There isn't really like a pink undertone or a gray undertone. It's just a beige color. So I decided to put some of the things I normally bring with me. This is what it looks like. So in the front I have my pocket organizer from Louis Vuitton, 6-key holder, compact, and then in the back I have some tissues, and it does fit my iPhone 8 Plus, so it does fit larger phones. And I could probably put a few more things in there, but that's what I usually bring on a daily basis. So this is my other YSL bag. This is the LOULOU camera bag, and this is the toy LOULOU. If you want me to do a comparison between these two bags, please let me know in the comments. Anyways, thank you guys for watching my quick unboxing of the toy LOULOU from YSL. Please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.